Skin, there's no way I'm going to be able to say skinimalism. Skinimalism.
There you go.
Skinimalism. I'm Shani Darden, celebrity esthetician and founder of Shani Darden Skincare. Let's talk about these skincare trends. Skin cycling, I think, is great. Use your actives as often as your skin can tolerate it. On the nights you're not using your actives, hydrate. Skinimalism. Skinimalism. This is all about less is more, which I'm a huge fan of. You don't need a bunch of products to have amazing skin. You need the most effective products. That was so gorgeous. Don't even tell me I said skinimalism, just like I know how to say it. I'm not a big fan. However, if you are someone that has truly dry skin, it could be right for you. If you're somebody that has congestion, it's only gonna cause you to break out. Slug at your own risk. Retinol sandwiching, I think it's great. If you are someone that can't tolerate your retinol alone, you use a moisturizer before applying your retinol and a moisturizer after. Not only is it anti-aging and can help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, it also can kill bacteria, which will help with acne. Slugging skin cycling. Got it, Shani.